In this video, we learn how to enable dark mode in MS Word program. So firstly, open MS Word and go to File. And in here, click on Account. And here you will find the option for changing the theme. So colorful, dark gray and white. So default is the white. If you want to enable the dark mode, so select dark gray like this. And if you want to colorful, so go to File and select Account and select in here first one colorful. So by this easy setting, you can enable or disable dark mode or colorful in MS Word. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.